Hey guys, welcome back to Inside Watts, and today we're going to find out what's inside a banana. Right.
Okay guys, we're going to cut open. So I've got an array of materials to cut open, but see if this works.
I don't think that's going to work, Ollie. No, it's not working.
It's not, right.
Right, now we get the...
So I'm actually
dinosaur
really
out.
interested to see what's inside one of these.
I'm going to stand fucking back.
Right, you know.
Should have worn shoes.
Yeah, I know. Right guys, we're going to cut open this banana.
Oh Jesus.
See if this does it. I'm not confident this will do it, but... There we are, guys. Wow, it actually
Wow,
cut open.
let's see what's inside. Oh my god.
So it's actually just a bit mushy.
That's a lot of damage.
I wouldn't actually have thought, but let's cut open the rest of the way, shall we?
Oh, to show you the power of flexing.
We cut open this banana. So yeah, I don't think we'll be putting this back together anytime soon, but you know, I thought this was a really interesting video. Got to see what's inside. Yay!
Subscribe to YOLO Dobby Gaming.
Oh, now there's banana all over the lawn.
You actual spaz.